In facilities where forklifts and pallet trucks are used in confined areas, the eFlex ForkGuard Kerb Barrier offers reliable ground-level protection for walls, buildings, equipment and personnel. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The floor-mounted ForkGuard Barrier will prevent forklift and pallet truck tines from impacting valuable infrastructure and also serves as a pallet stop to help organise storage areas. Alternatively, it can be integrated with A-safe pedestrian barriers to prevent forks from penetrating into defined pedestrian areas. The eFlex ForkGuard can absorb repeated impacts with no need for replacement, and its pierce-resistant core structure is hygienically sealed, making it food safe and suitable for use in areas such as cool rooms down to -10 degrees Celsius. You should find out more. You can do that by ringing A-safe on 02 9625 8927 or visit them on the web, asafe.com. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.